Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'll be explaining why is your Telegram ads not approved and reviewed. Well, there's a lot of reasons why you're having this issue. Here are some common issues and potential solutions. Number one, content violations. Ensure that your ad content complies with Telegram's advertising policies. Ads that contain prohibited content, such as illegal products, misleading claims, or inappropriate material, will be rejected. Number two, incomplete information. Make sure that all required fields and information are filled out correctly. Incomplete ads or missing details can delay the review process. Number three, technical issues. Sometimes, technical problems on Telegram's end can cause delays in the approval process. So if you suspect this might be the case, try contacting Telegram support. Number four, high volume of submissions. If there is a high volume of ad submissions, the review process may take longer than usual. Patience is key in such situations. Number five, payment issues. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Ads might not be approved if there are issues with your payment method. And number six, targeting restrictions. Verify that your ad targeting is within Telegram's guideline. Certain targeting options might be restricted or require additional approval. And finally, at number seven, ad format and quality. Check if your ad format meets Telegram's specifications. High quality images and clear, concise text can improve the chances of approval. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.